Ace Fine Pack Private Limited. We are into end-of-the-line packaging machinery, batch coding machinery, and also packaging consumables. We started off in 1988, headquartered in Cochin, and we have branches in Chennai and Mumbai. We have our resident engineers and sales people across India, and also our dealer network across India to serve our loyal customers. The Impulse Heat Sealer, we have it in various models. We have the classic 200 model, which is the 8-inch model. We have the classic 250 model, which is the 10-inch model. We have the classic 300 model, which is the 12-inch model. The XL 400, XL 500 and XL 600 models, which are 16, 20 and 24-inch models. The continuous band sealer, which is used for pouch sealing. We have it in various models: the horizontal model, the vertical model and the gas flushing model. This is the vertical pouch sealing model. This is the horizontal model. This is the gas flushing model. The strapping tools and strapping machines. The strapping tool, which is the handheld strapping machine. The semi-automatic strapping machine. The automatic strapping machine. And the fully automatic strapping machine. We are the exclusive dealers of Ergopack Germany in India. It is the most advanced pallet strapping machine. The carton sealing machines, which comes in various sizes and various models. This helps in optimizing the use of your BOPP tapes. The vacuum packing machines. We have it in both single chamber and double chamber models. The sleeving and shrinking machines, commonly used in the book industry, bottle packaging industry, the electronics industries and cosmetics industry. The pillow wrapping or floor wrapping machines, which is used commonly in the biscuit manufacturing, the soap industry, the chocolate industry, the ice cream industry, and for various other applications, as well as in temples for their laddu packing. Batch coding machines. We have the continuous inkjet coding machine from Bestcode USA, used on various surfaces including pouches and bottles. The HX Nitro Thermal Inkjet Printer from Maplejet, Canada. This is an IoT enabled and Wi-Fi enabled machine which can also be operated with our smartphones. The TTO printer, or commonly known as the ribbon coding machine, which is used commonly in the milk pouches for better resolution. We have various other thermal inkjet printers like the handheld models and also the models that can be fixed on conveyors. The fully automatic packaging line. Starting with the batch coding on the basic product. The carton sealing. Carton coding, carton strapping on both sides.